Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why you listen to English again and again, but still feel shy or stuck when you try to speak? What if you could learn English just by listening to one simple story, without grammar stress, without memorizing, and without fear? Stay with me until the end, because this story is not only for listening, it is for speaking. And if you follow it for 7 days, you will feel the change yourself. Before we start the story, do one small thing for me. Subscribe to the channel if you want to improve your English every day. Like this video so YouTube shows it to more learners like you, and comment, "I'm listening," to make a promise to yourself. Now relax, sit comfortably, and let's begin together. Chapter 1. Why listening alone is not enough. Let me be honest with you. Many people listen to English every day. Songs, videos, movies, podcasts. But they still cannot speak. Most people never notice this problem. Listening alone keeps English in your head, not in your mouth. And speaking needs the mouth. But here's the strange part. You don't need to force yourself to speak alone. You just need to copy sound. This is where shadowing starts. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time, not after, with the voice. At first, it feels strange. Your tongue feels slow. Your brain feels busy. But that feeling is good. It means learning is happening. Let me show you what changed everything for many learners. When you shadow, your brain stops translating. It starts copying. And copying is natural. Think about children. They don't study grammar. They listen. They repeat. They copy their parents. That's it. Most people never notice this, but adults can learn the same way. The only difference is fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of sounding wrong. But here's the truth. When you shadow a story, you are not alone. You are speaking with a voice. That removes fear. So today, you will not just listen to a story. You will let the story guide your voice. Don't worry about understanding every word. Understanding will come. First, feel the sound, feel the rhythm. And now, let's move into the story itself, because stories make English easier than lessons. Chapter 2. Why stories make English easy. Stories are powerful. They have a beginning, a middle, an end. Your brain loves this. Most people never notice this, but when English is inside a story, it becomes friendly. It becomes human. Not scary, not heavy, just natural. Let me start the story now. Imagine a simple morning. A person wakes up early. The sun is soft, the room is quiet. They say, "Good morning." Shadow that line, simple, clear, short. Already, your mouth is working. That is a small win. The person gets ready and leaves the house. They feel a little nervous. They have something important to do. This emotion matters. Emotion helps memory. But here's the strange part. When you feel the story, words stay longer in your mind. You are not memorizing, you are experiencing. Now the person walks down the street, they see a neighbor and say, "Hello, how are you?" Shadow it. These are real words, real life words. Most learners study words they never use, but stories give you daily language. Let me show you what changed everything. When learners shadow stories, they stop asking, "Is this correct?" They start saying, "Does this sound right?" Sound is more important than rules, and stories train your ear. As the story continues, you will notice something. You start guessing the next sentence. That means your brain is learning patterns. This is why stories work. And now, let's talk about how to shadow this story the right way. Chapter 3. How to shadow this story, step by step. Now listen carefully. Shadowing is simple, but many people do it wrong. Most people stop too much. They repeat again and again. But here's the strange part. Stopping breaks the flow. Flow is everything. First, listen to the story once. Just listen. No speaking. Feel the speed, feel the tone, then play it again. This time, speak with the voice, even if you miss words, even if you feel slow. Keep going. Let me show you what changed everything. Don't pause, don't correct, just continue. Speak softly at first. That's okay. Your mouth is waking up. After a few minutes, your voice becomes stronger. This is a top moment for many learners. They realize, I am speaking English. Not perfectly, but freely. Shadow for only 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's it. Most people think they need hours. They don't. Short and daily is powerful. And remember this important rule. You don't need to understand everything today. Understanding grows naturally. Now you may ask, will this really work? Let's talk about what happens after a few days, because this is where motivation grows. Chapter 4. What changes after 3 days? After 3 days of listening and shadowing this story, something small but important happens. You feel less scared. Most people never notice this change at first, but it's there. You start opening your mouth faster, you pause less, you think less, you hear English differently now. Sentences feel familiar, sounds feel friendly. Let me show you what changed everything. Your brain starts recognizing patterns. You don't translate every word. You understand ideas. You may catch yourself saying simple English sentences in your mind. I'm tired. I'm ready. Let's go. These are big signs. This means English is entering your daily thinking. Another surprise comes. Your pronunciation improves without effort. Why? Because you are copying real sound. Not reading from a book, real sound builds real speaking. After 3 days, many learners feel excited. But here's the strange part. This is also when some people stop. They think, I'm better now. Don't stop, because day 7 is where the real magic happens. Chapter 5. The 7-Day Speaking Shift. After 7 days of shadowing this story, your relationship with English changes. You no longer feel like a student. You feel like a speaker. Most people never reach this stage because they quit early. Now, when you hear English, your mouth wants to move. This is powerful. You respond faster. You don't search for every word. Let me show you what changed everything. Confidence appears quietly. Your sentences may still be simple. That's okay. Simple is strong. Simple is clear. You don't need big words to communicate. Stories teach this naturally. You may notice people understand you better, even if your grammar is not perfect. Communication is the goal, not perfection. At this stage, many learners say something important. English feels lighter. That feeling is gold. It means fear is leaving. And now, the final step is to make this a habit. Chapter 6. Turning the story into a daily habit. Now you know the secret. Learning English while listening to a story works when you do it daily. Choose one story, shadow it for a few days, then change the story. Keep it fresh. You can even use your own life. Tell your day in simple English. Record it. Listen. Shadow yourself. Most people never try this, but it is powerful. Keep sessions short, keep them daily. English grows with consistency, not pressure, not stress. Imagine yourself 1 month from now, speaking more, smiling more, feeling proud. That future starts with today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for more simple English stories. Like the video if you listened till the end. And comment, Day 1 started, to begin your journey. Remember, you don't learn English by studying more. You learn English by using it. And your voice is ready.